Okay, let's take a look at problem 2, solving a multi-step absolute value equation. What is the solution of 3 absolute value of x plus 2 minus 1 equal 8? Graph the solution. The thing about absolute values when we're doing multi-step, we want to make sure that we basically solve for the absolute value first. So the first thing you're going to do is add 1 to both sides, and you get 9. Then you're going to divide by 3 on both sides and get 3. Now you can break it down into those two different absolute value equations like we did for problem 1. So you get x plus 2 equals 3 or x plus 2 equals negative 3. And when we do that, we get x equals 1 and x equals negative 5. And notice that they went back and checked. If I plug 1 in, I get 1 plus 2 is 3. Absolute value of 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And then here, absolute value of 3 times negative 5 plus 2, I get 3 times negative 3 minus 1. And 3 times negative 3 is still 9, so I get 9 minus 1, which is 8. So now let's do one on our own. So again, I'm going to solve for the absolute value first. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And I get 2 absolute value of x minus 9 equal 4. Divide both sides by 2. And I get the absolute value of x plus 9 equals 2. So now I have x plus 9 equal 2 and x plus 9 equals negative 2. Subtract 9 from both sides for both equations. And I get x equals negative 7 and x equals negative 11. So now I can substitute back. Well, let's graph it first. So I have 0, 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Now let's start here instead. Let's say this is at negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11. So we have a dot here and a dot there. Now let's plug it in. So for the first one, 2 times negative 7 plus 9 plus 3, does that equal 7? Well, we get 2 times 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3, and that does equal 7. Let's do the second one. I might have to erase. I think it's better to erase. Alright, so you have 2 times negative 11 plus 9 plus 3 equals 7. And I get 2 times negative 2 plus 3 equals 7, which is negative, absolute value of negative 2 is just 2. So I get 4 plus 3 equals 7, and again, that works out. So I hope this helps.